How to use your Zafety Lug Locks. Zafety Lug Locks, often known as just Zafeties, are a wheel nut retention system. Simply put, they keep your wheel nuts from turning. But how? Without the use of a wheel nut lock, a wheel nut can lose torque at any moment, including when you're on the road. By this point, it might be too late to notice, even with the use of indicators. The Zafety Lug Lock can be easily fitted by hand, simply pushing on over two adjacent wheel nuts. If you have a whole fleet, you may find it easier to use the special fitting tool. The Zafety Lug Lock device now fits snugly over two adjacent nuts on the truck or bus wheel to secure them together. The device creates resistance between them, and they cannot move. So why would you choose Zafety over another wheel nut lock? It's really personal preference. But some perks of Zafety are fast and easy to fit, just pushes over two wheel nuts. Quick torque checks, no need to remove for inspections. Proven tough, lab and field tested in extreme heat, cold and vibration. Durable, high-temperature plastic built to last. Cost-effective, low lifetime cost. Bright and visible, easy to spot for peace of mind. Speaking of peace of mind, Zafety products are also compatible with some wheel nut indicators, such as our Classics and our Pro Points. This layered security system is the most secure way to prevent wheel detachment. Parma stocks Zafety products that suits most types of commercial vehicle. All you need to know is your wheel nut size and what color you want. Currently, we stock yellow, blue, green, red, and gray. We suggest using our filters to find your wheel nut size and choose from there. Parma Group, your only stop for wheel safety and styling. Shop now.